was just a lieutenant back then, doing some wet work. Chernobyl, Christmas for the bad guys. Even a decade later, a lot of them still used it to get their hands on nuclear material. A lot of them, including one, Imran Zakhaev. Of course, we couldn't just let that happen. Cash for spent fuel rods. That's one hell of a recipe for destruction. It was the first time our government had authorized an assassination order since the Second World War. I was under the command of Captain Macmillan.
Too much radiation. We'll have to go around. Follow me and keep low. Careful. There's pockets of radiation all over this area. If you absorb too much, you're a dead man. Stand by. Contact. Enemy patrols dead ahead. Stay low and move slowly. Will be impossible to spot in our ghillie suits.
Мы не бродим, мы патрулируем здесь.
Take one out when the other's not looking. He's down.
Хороший день.
Good night. Move. Hold up. There's more cover if we go around. Four tangos inside. Don't even think about it. Wait there. Tango by the car. Okay. Go. Move up. We've got a lookout in the church tower and the patrol coming from the north. Let's move up for a better view. Do you have a shot on the lookout? Beautiful. Target approaching from the north. Take him out quietly or just let him pass. Your call. Tango down. Go. Forward area clear. Coast is clear. You hear that? Enemy helicopter, get down. Stay in the shadows. Let's go. Get down now. Easy, lad. There's too many of them. Let them go. a low profile and hold your fire. Try to anticipate their paths. If you have to maneuver, do it slow and steady. No quick movements. Follow me. Looks like they've already eliminated the men they couldn't buy out.
Пошли кого-нибудь проверить.
Let's move up for a better view.
Это тяжелое. Когда Андрей придет? Я надеюсь. Такой блогер. Ел на завтра.
Taking him out without alerting the rest isn't going to be easy, but then again, neither is sneaking past them. Your goal.
Предложение Захева.
Target eliminated. Stop them. Don't fire on the two by the lorry. We'll have to take him out at the same time. Wait for me to get into position. I'm in position. Take the shot when you're ready. Good night. Move up. Stay in the shadows. Stay back. Stay low. He's mine.
Ой, Сюзи.
That's how it's done. Let's go.
Радиация делает это собак с сумасшедшими силами. Ты их недооцениваешь, товарищ. Какая ставка?
Hold up. Patrol coming this way. Stay back.
Мотоцикл и буду ездить по этому району. Думаешь, американцы начнут войну с нами, пока мы слабы? Эта страна катится вниз к развалу. Все возможно.
Wait here. Forward area clear. Go. Stay hidden. Move up. This way. Let's go. That's a bloody convention out there. Get ready to move on my signal. Stay Stay right behind me. Hold. Okay. Go. Let's go. There's a truck coming. We'll use it as cover. Keep moving.
Там радиация становится свирче. Вообще этому не верю. Тем, чем больше. Не хочу, чтобы эти собаки бежали быстро. Хорошо.
Just wait here a moment. When they leave, crawl out and stay low. Patience. Don't do anything stupid. Stand by. Stand by. Go. Ready? Go. Hold fast. No one saw us. Let's keep moving. This way. Don't move. Sniper. Fire escape. 4th floor. Dead ahead. Take him out, or he'll give away our position. Beautiful. Move out. Go. Area clear. Don't let your guard down. We're not there yet. Stop. Leave it alone. It's a wild dog. Pooch doesn't look too friendly. Keep your distance. No need to attract unnecessary attention. Clear right. Go. Forward area clear. Move up. Look at this place. 50,000 people used to live in the city. Now it's a ghost town. Never seen anything like it. Move. This way. Let's go. to observe the exchange from the top floor up there. Let's move.